Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the problem digit game from the Codeforces round 671. Basically this problem is a game problem. We have two players, raise and breach, and we have a positive generated integer of n length. Starting with the raise, both players start choosing a position of our generated integer such that raise only choose the odd position while the breach will choose the even position, and this process will continue till the last digit. If the last digit is odd, then raise will win, and if the last digit is even, that means breach will win and both players plays optimally, right? So let's take one example. Let's suppose our positive integer that we have generated is of length odd. Let's say is of length odd. That means the last turn is left for the breach. Sorry. Last turn is left for raise. Right. Let's suppose raise has to choose this index, then breach has to choose this index, then the last digit that is left is of raise, right? And similarly, when we have even digit integer, then the last turn is left for the breach, right? So if breach wants to win, then the last digit has to be even, right? So breach will choose the odd digit first, then even digit left. He left even digit for the last, right? So let's suppose we have 7 1 2 4 7 1 2 4, right? So first turn is of raise. Raise will choose either this index or either this index, right? So let's suppose raise has choose this index. Breach has to choose this index. Breach has choice of this index or this index. But if breach wants to win, that means the last digit that is left, it is of even digit, right? It has to be even digit. So breach will choose this index. He will save the last. He will save the even digit for the last, right? And now the turn is of raise. Raise will choose this index, and the last digit that is left is of even digit. That means breach will win. So the conclusion that we derive from this thing is that if if even position if all the even position has only odd digit, if all the even position has only odd digit, that means breach will never win, right? And if one of the odd position has even digit, that means breach will definitely win, right? So, and similarly in this case, if all the odd all the sorry here all the even position, right? All the even position has odd digit. All the even position has odd digit. That means there is no chance of winning breach, right? And here all the odd position has even digit. That means there is no chance of winning raise, because raise only wins if the last digit is of odd, right? So if all the odd position has even digit, that means the last digit left is also of even digit, right? So raise will never win. In that case, breach will win. But if there is any one of the odd position, is of is of odd digit, that means raise will save that digit for the last, right? So the last digit in that case we get is of odd, that means raise will win, right? So you can see the source code link is in the description. We have just take count of even digit for raise and odd digit for the raise, and we have also counted even digit for the breach and odd digit for the breach, right? If the size is even and any any of the even digit, any of the even position is, if we get any even digit at any even position, that means breach will win, that means we have to print 2, else raise will win, right? And similarly, if we have length odd and any one of the odd position has a odd digit, that means raise will win, otherwise breach will win. Code is that much not difficult, even question is also simple. You can see the source code in the description. Thank you.